Sheikh Abu Bakr Sirajuddin, also known as Martin Lings, was an English writer, scholar, and philosopher who authored one of the most highly regarded and well-referenced biographies of the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ in the English language. Martin Lings was a scholar of Shakespearean literary works, and his exquisite literary skills is used to piece together the entire book from start to finish. This is the sort of book one would expect the mature and more seasoned reader to gravitate more towards. It is certainly not one for the absolute beginner, as the chapters can be very elaborate and analytical. However, the chapters do follow a very chronological form, making it easy to follow. There is no shortage of indexes, footnotes, and references accompanying the main text, providing additional context and clarification. Although this level of detail and analysis may be a little overburdening for the casual reader, as this book does present a very detailed account of the Prophet Muhammad's life and legacy, and as such it does command the reader's full attention, as there are many names, characters, and events to remember. However, it is for this very reason that the more advanced reader will find this book very enjoyable to read, as it is replete with very precise Islamic references and makes direct reference to Arabic terminology, customs, and genealogies, giving it a more authentic and authoritative feel. An added bonus is that the author presents a superb study of the socio-economic, political, and customary settings that were prevalent in ancient Arabia, which is only possible by delving deep into the text and examining other classical sources. Martin Lings' biography of the Prophet Muhammad is nothing short of a literary masterpiece and deserves to be celebrated as one of the greatest seerah biographies produced in the modern era. His treatment of the subject is highly commendable and effectively addresses many of the doubts and criticisms that have been leveled at the person and character of Prophet Muhammad ﷺ by many of his modern critics. The author's mastery and exercise of classical literary styles can be challenging for the more casual and elementary readers, especially for the younger audiences and those to whom the English language may not be the first and only means of study. But overall, it's a very beautiful homage to the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ's legacy and a literary treasure for those seeking to delve into the rich detail and study of the seerah.